Hello student, now we're going to do exercise C 1 and 1a. See here, we'll multiply it, start to arrange it in our place value 1 2 2 4 into 2. Okay, see, we can do it with two methods. First in direct method also, and in as book given also. See, we can do direct also. See, 4 2 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. We can do like this also, or we can do as book also has in book has given also. See, this, then 1 2 2 4 and 2. See, one thing, this is you have to do in higher classes, that means 5 6 in this way, but in learning process in 4 you can do also like this, but there is no place since I have to do this way. But we can do here. See here, I can do like this here also. See, 100 1000 100 10 ones 1 2 2 4 into 2. See, first we'll do 4 into 2, we got here 8, then we got 20 into 2, we got 40, then we got 200 into 2, we got here 400, and here we got 1000 into 2, we got here 2000, and we add it, so we can get answer 8442. See, same thing has gone. So since it is a learning step for you, so we have to do first this, but after learning up, when we get learn all over, then we have to do direct in this way also. Okay, this is your first question. Now we'll do the next. See, number we'll do number C, since there is carry, since it is without regrouping, it is without regrouping. Now we'll do with grouping, regrouping. See, 1803 into. Okay, now see, we first arranged them in their place value 1000 100 tens and ones 1803 into 5. First we do the normal form that we are doing in higher classes. See, 5 3s are 15, 5 carry 1 here, 5 0 is 0 plus 1 1, 5 8 is a 40, 0 carry 4 here, 5 1 is 5 plus 4 9 in this. But now what we'll do, now we'll do the or. See, in their book way. See, or form. Now see, 1000 100 10 ones. Now see, 1803 into 5. Now see here, first we'll do. See, now see here, first we arrange them in their 1000 place, 100 place, 10 place and ones. Since we have 1803 multiply with 5. See, first what we'll do, first we do their according to their place value. So 3 into 5, we got here 15, 0 into 5, we got here 0 0. Then since it is 100 place 8, we got here 800 into 5, we got here first 2 0 put here, and in 5 is 40, we got here 4000. Now see here, since 1 is in the 1000 place, 1000 into 5, we will write here 5000. Okay, now what we'll do, now we'll add them, add it, and after adding we'll got here 5 1 0 and 9 9015. See, this and this, it is a same, so we can do it. Okay, now what we'll do, Now we're going to learn see number 2 question. Then you can try it at your home also. Now see number 2a. See here. First question is 1, 2, 4, 6 and 5. You have to find the product. Okay, you have to find the product. That means you have to find the answer. That means multiply. So what we'll do, first we arrange it: 1000, 100, 10 and ones. 1, 2, 4, 6 multiply with 5. What we'll do, first we do this process. See, 6 into 5, so it is in unit place, we got here 30. Then what we'll do, 4 in 10 place, so 40 into 5, we got here 0, 20, that means 200. Then 2 in 100 place, so 200 into 5, what we'll got 20, put here 1000. Then since 1 is in the 1000 place, we multiply with 5 and we got it. See, first put 30 here and put 5 on the 5 here. Now what we'll do, we will add it and we got 0, 3, 2 and 6. So this is our answer. You can see now this here. 6 5 30 is 0, 3 carry, 4 5 is 20, 20 plus 3 3 carry 2, 5 2 is 10 plus 2 12, 2 1 and 5 1 is 5. Sorry 12 2 carry 1, 5 1 is 5 plus 1 6. So this is our answer. We can check also in direct method also. See here. All see, 1 2 4 6 into 5. See, 5 30 0 carry 3, 6 5 4 is 20 plus 3 23, 2 here, 5 2 is 10 plus 2 12, 2 carry 1 here, 5 1 is 5 1 6. So see, 6230 and we got 6230. So in this way you have to do this at your home. Thank you.